being able to take care of an oil canning situation is a game changer. So here's how you do it. We're removing the paint at a really low speed so we don't generate heat. You can use a propane torch or an oxyacetylene torch. The trick is to find the highest spot, and it seems to be right there. Heat it up, give it a smack right in the middle of the red spot, and cool it off. And it's coming out. We're going to bring it out. Obviously, oxyacetylene would work a little faster. And now we'll do it right here. That's good. We'll do it right here. And what this is doing is using up some metal. That metal is going into that like vortex. Maybe a little bit right there. And again, it's using up metal. It's pulling the metal in. Once this cools off, well, matter of fact, it's already nice and solid, so we're good. And that's it, we took care of the oil can. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to remove oil canning every single time. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.